Imagine a world where medical devices were built on hope and guesswork. Scary, right? Without a structured approach, the risks would be unimaginable. Patients' lives would be at stake, and the trust in medical technology would plummet. That's where design verification comes in. It's not just a step, it's a critical phase in the development process. It's the meticulous process of making sure a medical device is built as intended, meeting all the design requirements and specifications. Think of it as double-checking the blueprint. Every detail is scrutinized to ensure nothing is overlooked. Design verification asks, did we build it right? Are all the components functioning as they should? We scrutinize every detail, ensuring the device adheres to predetermined specifications. This involves a thorough examination of every aspect of the device. This might involve rigorous testing of individual components or the entire system. Each test is designed to uncover any potential issues. Only through thorough verification can we be confident that the device is free from design flaws. It's a guarantee of quality and reliability. This step is crucial for patient safety and the device's effectiveness. Without it, the risks to patients and the potential for device failure would be too great. Building a device correctly is only half the battle. It also needs to work in the real world, in the hands of medical professionals and patients. That's where design validation shines. Validation asks, did we build the right thing? We evaluate the device's performance in real-life scenarios. Does it meet the needs of the users? Does it perform as intended in a clinical setting? Validation might involve clinical trials with real patients or simulated use case scenarios. The goal is to confirm that the device truly fulfills its intended purpose. Let's consider two hypothetical medical devices to crystallize the difference between verification and validation. Imagine a new type of insulin pump. Verification ensures the pump delivers the precise dosage programmed, with components functioning flawlessly. Now envision a cutting-edge surgical robot. Validation ensures this robot assists surgeons effectively in real surgeries, improving patient outcomes. Both are critical. The insulin pump's accuracy is paramount. The surgical robot must be safe and effective in the operating room. Section 4. The importance of verification, ensuring design integrity. Without rigorous verification, medical devices could malfunction with potentially disastrous consequences. These devices are critical in life-saving scenarios, and any error can lead to severe outcomes. Imagine a heart rate monitor that gives inaccurate readings, leading to misdiagnosis or delayed treatment, or a drug delivery system that dispenses the wrong dosage, potentially causing harm or even fatality to the patient. Verification is the bedrock of patient safety. It is a comprehensive process that involves multiple stages of testing and validation. It ensures that devices are reliable, accurate, and perform according to their specifications. Every component, every circuit, every line of code must be scrutinized. This meticulous attention to detail is what makes the difference between a safe device and a hazardous one. By meticulously verifying each stage of the design process, we minimize risks and ensure the device is built to the highest standards. This commitment to thorough verification is what upholds the integrity of medical device design and ultimately protects patient lives. Section 5. The importance of validation meeting user needs. A perfectly engineered device is useless if it doesn't solve the intended problem. Validation bridges the gap between engineering and real-world application. Consider a prosthetic limb that is mechanically sound but uncomfortable for the user, or a diagnostic tool that delivers accurate results but is too complex for medical staff to operate efficiently. Validation ensures that devices are not only functional but also usable, practical, and ultimately beneficial for patients and healthcare providers. Section 6. Verification versus validation, two sides of the same coin. Verification and validation are two sides of the same coin in medical device development. Both processes are crucial in ensuring the safety and efficacy of medical devices. One ensures we build the device correctly, the other that we build the correct device. Verification is about checking if the product meets the specified requirements. Verification focuses on the internal workings, the nuts and bolts of the design. It involves rigorous testing and inspection to ensure every component functions as intended. Validation looks outward, evaluating the device's performance in the real world. It assesses whether the device meets the needs and expectations of end users. Both are essential for creating medical devices that are safe, effective, and meet the needs of patients and healthcare professionals. Without these processes, the reliability of medical devices would be compromised. They are the cornerstones of trust and reliability in the medical device industry. Through verification and validation, we ensure that every device not only works as designed, but also serves its intended purpose in the healthcare environment.